And so, padulong na tayo dito sa Ritz Hotel celebrating the 60th birthday of Nanay Bing. Natay Filipino theme karon, and I will share you later sa mga dagan sa program. So, happy birthday Nanay Bing! Happy 60th birthday to you! Kaya mga inalala ng mga music food, kaya mga karaan, 80s, 90s. Mga anak lang. Ipa-games ako sila mapatong-patong o bangko later. Kaya para ano, paghahiag tuhod.
Bye-bye, nanay!
Idol, oh. Yung kaya pa-idol, no? Regards daw. Hello? Kuyawan.
And it is well, we are about to start this wonderful 60th birthday celebration of Nanay Bing. So again, on behalf of the Spina family, we would like to welcome everyone. Ayaw gabi sa inyo ang tanan, and welcome to the 60th birthday of Nanay Bing. Can we hear a big round of applause, please? Palakpak naman dyan. Thank you so much. The Espina family, clap your hands. Sa Espina family. Woohoo! Okay. So sa ating mga bisita, kailangan may ID ha, yung may pinakamalayong address. Okay, go! Tingnan natin kasi may pinakamalayong address, bibigyan namin ng premyo. Yes, because we do believe that nature does not equally distribute energy, okay? Some are born old and tired, but we have here our Mommy Conchita on her 60th with this different kind of energy. So ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan mo natin our birthday celebrator, the one and only Mama Conchita Espina! Woohoo! Yes! And of course, escorted by the grandsons. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause for Nanay Bing. Birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Ako sa kuban sa pamilya, kapitanan, thankful me sa imong mga
Salamat kayo na nagka-friend mo ni Bing. Welcome to the club. Na very cooperative, understanding tayo.
Behind the scenes, but behind the scenes.
1, 2, 5. Waki, front of Waki. Okay, good. Waki.
Ito ang pag-wapi.
Sa mga extended family, pumasok kami ng usap.
Happy birthday, Nanay Bing!
Ate Nitz, and Ate Yan Yan.
Yes! Okay! Ayan! Dagang salamat sa pag-ani pagkuha sa mga gulay o mga paninda sa Bibig Store. Ayan na. Okay. Yes. Any items? Wala sisilyo ka na ng tibuo. Wala naman. Anis ni store. Katulad